tornado emergency for western Madison County and eastern Limestone County. A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Madison and southeastern Limestone counties. At 6:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Madison, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for western Madison and eastern Limestone County. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Madison and Huntsville around 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. University of Alabama in Huntsville and Redstone Arsenal around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Alabama A&M University around 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Belmina, French Mill, Mooresville, Capshaw, Brillen, Hampton Cove, Ripley, Brownsboro, and Farley. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Madison, Alabama,